Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing an SAT practice test number 2 in the math section. These videos are going to work. We're going to do 5 questions every single video. If you like these videos and you learn something, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Alright, we're in the calculator section. Here's question number 1. A musician has a new song available for downloading or streaming. The musician earns 9 cents each time the song is downloaded and 0.2 cents each time the song is streamed. Which of the following expressions represents the amount in dollars that the musician earns if the song is downloaded D times and streamed S times? Let's think about this for a second. Well, the musician gets 9 cents per download for D downloads, so the money here would be 0.09 D. Similarly, if you get 0.2 cents a stream for S streams, you would get 0.002 S dollars for the total number of streams. So together, this would be 0.09 D plus 0.002 S, or C. Let's move on to the next question. A quality control manager at a factory selects 7 light bulbs at random for inspection out of every 400 light bulbs produced. At this rate, how many light bulbs will be inspected if the factory produces 20,000 light bulbs? Try to figure this one out. And pause the video if you need to. Well, we know that 7 light bulbs are selected for every 400 light bulbs. And out of 20,000 light bulbs, there would be 20,000 divided by 400, or 50 different inspections. Each one of those inspections would have 7 light bulbs, so the total number of light bulbs inspected would be 7 times 50, 350 light bulbs, or answer choice B. Let's keep going. Question number 3. L equals 24 plus 3.5 m. One end of a spring is attached to a ceiling, and when an object of mass m kilograms is attached to the other end of the spring stretches to a length of L centimeters as shown in the equation above. What is m when L is 73? Alright, let's see what we can do about this. Well, if L is 73, then since L equals 24 plus 3.5 m, we know that 3.5 m plus 24 equals the 73. So we can subtract 25 from both sides, and we get 3.5 m, which is L minus 24, which is 73 minus 24, or 49. Then, if 3.5 m equals 49, then m equals 49 divided by 3.5, or 14. That is answer choice A. Let's keep going. Question number 4. We're told that the amount of money a performer earns is directly proportional to the number of people attending a performance. The performer earns $120 at a performance where 8 people attend. And we're asked how much money will the performer earn when 20 people attend? Well, if 2 things are directly proportional, we can write this relationship as B equals Ka, where K is a constant. Essentially, if we increase A by a certain amount, then B is also going to increase by a certain amount, a certain factor. So if we increase A by 2 and K is also 2, then we're going to increase B by 2 times 2, or 4. If we increase A by 2 and K is 4, we increase B by 2 times 4. So as A goes up, B goes up, right? And the amount that B goes up is proportional to the amount that A goes up by the factor of K. That's how we write a directly proportional relationship. And now for this directly proportional relationship, we need to find what K is. So since B is the amount of money earned and A is the amount of people attending, then we have that $120 equals 8 times K, right, where the 8 people attended. So then K would equal 120 divided by 8, or 15. So then if A equals 20, then B, the amount of money earned, would just be 15 times 20, or $300, which is answer choice C. Let's do our last question in this set. We're given the same prompt about the amount of money a performer earns is directly proportional with $120 per 8 people. Well, we can still write that same directly proportional relationship, where K equals 15. Let's keep that in mind. Alright. Now, a performer uses 42% of the money earned to pay the costs involved in putting on each performance. The rest of the money earned is performer's profit. What is the profit the performer makes at performance where 8 people attend? Well, we already know that if 8 people attend, they get $120, and if 43% of the 43% of the $120 is used to pay off costs, then 57%, the rest, is used as profit. It is a profit. So then the profit is just the 57% of the $120 that you had to start with, which is $68.40. Answer choice C. That would be it for this set. We're going to be continuing on with the other questions in the calculator section, and I'll see you next time.